Hi lovely people, welcome back to another job information video. In this video I'm going to be talking about a community called Lloydminster. This is a community in Alberta, okay? And if you've been watching a couple of my videos in the past, then you know that I have talked about Alberta a lot. There are other communities that are also employing foreign workers, and this community I'll be talking about in this video is also one of those communities that are also employing overseas workers as well as people within the community. What makes this offer really interesting for me is the fact that they have a dedicated site that you can actually use to apply. I've been getting a lot of comments on my videos about, okay, so we've seen the job description, we've seen the openings, we've seen the employers, how then do we apply? Most of the other communities do not have a dedicated website that you can use to apply, so you have to manually search, okay, for these employers and apply to their emails. But the good thing about this particular community is that they have a dedicated site. All you simply need to do is go onto that site and click on the job description that suits you and simply apply. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it appears on their site and how you can easily apply without wasting so much of your time. So if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Aine, and on this channel, I share job information videos. So if you're looking to immigrate anytime soon or in the nearest future, then you should subscribe to my channel because you do not want to miss out on any of my updates. So let's get started. So here we are officially on their website. It's called the Lloydminster Chamber of Commerce, okay? Like I said before, one reason I love this platform is the fact that you do not need to go and look for an employer or the job. Everything is listed on this page, okay? It's just like going through an Indeed job site or even Canada Job Bank. If you have been watching a lot of my job information videos, then you would notice that some of those provinces and some of those communities do not have like a dedicated site for job searching, okay? They only just showcase the employers that are employing, and you as a job seeker would have to go and manually search for those employers and apply. But they've made it so simple. As you can see, the positions are listed clearly. You can see that they are in need of a barista here, a janitor, administrative assistant, full-time position school administrative assistant. You know, when you scroll down, you see that this is the diner and they are in need of servers, cooks. You know, more diners are in need of kitchen helpers, server/supervisor, and so many others. See, they're even in need of nail care technicians. And it's very straight to the point. All you want to do is click on it and apply. So let's select one and use as a sample. Let's select this cook role, okay? The diner, that is the name of the company. So when you click on it, it should take you to the page that has more information about the job. Here it says, welcome to this. Then it says, we are looking for passionate, hardworking cooks to join our team. We pride ourselves on working with premium ingredients, making all our food from scratch. This is just basically an overview of what the company is about. So you can take your time to read this. Now let's go to some of the most important aspects of this particular job listing. It says, we need cooks and kitchen helpers, strong, independent individuals, someone who's okay working alone, and also being part of a team. Someone that can handle pressure when times get rough. Job duties: to prepare and cook complete meals or individual dishes and foods, plan menus, determine size of food portions, estimate food requirements and costs, and monitor supplies. Okay, you need to maintain inventory and records of food, supplies, and equipment. Okay, clean kitchen and work areas. Education and skill requirements here: you must be organized, reliable, be a team player, be dependable, and be able to use your initiative, okay? So you can see more about the role here. Usually they would put their wage, but it's not listed here. So if you want to apply, what you want to do is come to this section, okay? And you can send an email. Simple, very easy. Send an email to them and apply. You want to send an email containing your resume and your cover letter. Your resume and cover letter have to be the right standard, okay? You can see they've made it so easy for you. So the least you could do is make sure that the documents you're submitting meet the standard of the Canadian job market. If you have not seen my video where I explained in detail how to prepare your own resume for the Canadian standard, then you should click the link above. It is going to be very useful. And if you still need professional expert help writing your CV and cover letter or resume, then you should send a message through the link in my description, okay? I have left the link in my description on how you can get your professional expert help with your resume and cover letter. So you guys see how simple it is. So let's go back Okay, let's see something. Okay, let's see nail care technician. Or clicking on this. Okay, and to apply, you can see that there's send an email here. Very easy. Okay, this one also specifically included the wage, hours of work per week, the kind of employment, which is really good. Requirements is that they need you to have a minimum of 2 years work experience as a nail care technician. You need to have a strong knowledge of nail care techniques, okay, and a lot of other things. So you want to come here and look at this. Okay, for those job listings that require you to have your portfolio, make sure that a link to your portfolio is in your resume. Okay, when preparing your resume, you need to include a link to your portfolio in that resume. Don't worry if you need professional help, like I said before, use the link in my description box, okay, to contact our partner to help you with a professional Canadian standard resume and cover letter. They know exactly what to do. Okay, so guys, that's all for this video. I hope that you get into applying as soon as you can, because these opportunities are just right in front of you. I get a lot of comments in my comment section saying it's very difficult to get a job in Canada from overseas. My sister, my brother, a lot of people are getting employed from overseas. I'm not saying it's easy. Of course, nothing good comes easy, but doesn't mean we should now relax and do nothing about it simply because it's hard. No, you want to do your best, okay? You want to put in as many applications as you can. So do not fall for those comments people make that there are no jobs. Go ahead and apply. And I hope that this video was helpful. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, okay? Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, because I post job related videos every single week, at least 2 to 3 videos every single week. So guys, until my next video, stay safe and stay kind. Bye.